Some important MCQ based on chemical bonding in ICSE board exam semester 1. First question, formation of a compound through ionic bond. The ionization energy of the metal ion, option A, does not depend on. Next, option B, depend on. Option C is independent regarding. Option D, may or may not be depend. Answer B, depend on. Next question, the type of bonding in HCl molecule is. Option A, polar covalent bond. Option B, pure covalent. Option C, non-polar. Option D, hydrogen bonding. Answer option A, polar covalent bond. Next question, ionic bond is present in which of the following species? Option A, O2 oxygen, CHCl3 chloroform. Option C, CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. Option D, NaBr sodium bromide. Answer D, NaBr sodium bromide. Next question, a polar covalent bond will be formed in which one of these pair of atoms. Option A, HF hydrogen fluoride. Option B, H2 hydrogen, Cl2 chlorine, O2 oxygen. Answer A, HF hydrogen fluoride. Next question, melting and boiling points of covalent compounds are gradually. Option A, same. Option B, low. Option C, high. Option D, both A and B. Answer B, low. Next question, the atomic number of oxygen is 8. The total number of electrons in the O2 minus ion on is. Option A, D, 8. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 9. Answer option A, 10. Okay. The negativities of atom giving covalent molecule are gradually. Option A, equal. Option B, high. Option C, low. Option D, keeps charging. Answer A, equal. Next question, most covalent compounds have density that of water, more than, equal to, less than, and none of these. Answer C, less than. Next question, covalent bond is rigid. It is responsible for. The answer is proper answer, definite shape of the molecule. Next question, the doublet or octet structure of valence shell makes dash of an element chemically. Answer proper answer, the answer atoms and inactive. Okay, the next question, a molecule of dash contains a triple bond. The proper answer is nitrogen, that is option B. Option A, sulfur. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon. Option D, oxygen. The proper answer, nitrogen. Next question, covalent bond is formed between metal and non-metal, metals, two non-metals, non-metals, and an ion. The proper answer, two non-metal. Okay. The next question, identify the molecule with a single covalent bond. Option carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide CO, chlorine Cl2, nitrogen N2. Answer option C, chlorine. Element which gain electrons is known as electropositive element, electronegative element, covalent atom, ion. The option D, answer ion. Next question, a gas having double bond is carbon monoxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide, none of these. The answer option B, oxygen. A species example for X contains number of proton 9, number of electron 10 and number of neutron 11. It is a neutral atom, an isotope, a cation, an anion. Answer: an anion. That is, the number of electron is greater than proton. Okay, so answer: an anion. Next question: a symbol not only represent the name of the element but also its atomic mass, atomic number, atomicity, atomic volume. Answer: atomic mass. Next question: which of the following element will become stable after losing the electron? Answer: helium, iodine, sodium, oxygen. The proper answer, the right answer, sodium. Okay. An iron compound: carbon 64.4%, hydrogen 5.5%, iron 29.9%. The simple formula of the compound: C10H10Fe, C9H10Fe, C10H9Fe, C9H9Fe. The proper answer, C10H10Fe. Next, butyric acid contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. C, H and O. 4.24 milligram sample. The 4.24 milligram sample of butyric acid on burning completely gives 8.45 milligram of carbon dioxide and 3.46 milligram of H2O. The molecular mass of butyric acid is 88 U. Then its molecular formula is: option A, C2H8O2, option B, C2H4O, option C, C4H8O2, option D, C4H8O4. The correct answer, C4H8O2. A compound has a empirical formula C2H4O. The analysis gives a value of 132.16 for its molecular mass. The correct molecular formula of the compound is C4H4O5, C4H8O5, C6H10O3, C6H12O3. The right answer, C4H8O5. Next, an organic compound contains 49.3% carbon, 6.84% hydrogen, and its vapor density is 73. The molecular formula of a compound is C3H8O2, C6H10O4, C6H19O, C4. A organic compound contains 49.3% carbon, 6.84% hydrogen, and the vapor density is 73. The molecular formula of the compound is proper right answer. The correct answer, C6H10O4. The most important question: the octet rule is observed. The following the point, following the substance, the following the substance which is octet rule observed. The to question number 23 is the most important question. If the next question, the octet rule is observed if BF3 boron trifluoride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, AlCl3 aluminum trichloride, that is aluminum chloride, H2O water. The correct answer, phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Most favorable condition for ionic bond are number 1, that is A, low ionization potential of one atom and high electron affinity of other atom. Option B, high ionization potential of an atom and high electron affinity of other atom. Option C, low ionization potential of an atom and low electron affinity of the other atom. Last option D, high ionization potential of an atom and low electron affinity of other atom. The right answer, that is correct answer, low ionization potential of an atom and high electron affinity of other atom. Next question. Both ionic and covalent bond are present NaOH, SO2, CH4, KCl. Correct answer, NaOH. The bond that exists between NH3 and BF3 is called electrovalent, covalent, coordinate, hydrogen. Answer, coordinate. Next question. Which of the following contain both ionic and covalent bond? NaCl, KCN, Cl. Which of the following contains both ionic and covalent bond? NaCl, KCN, C2, CH. Which of the following contains both ionic and covalent bond? Option A, NaCl. B, option B, KCN. Option C, C2. Option D, CH3, COOH. Answer, KCN, potassium cyanide. The bond between two identical non-metal atoms has a pair of electrons unequally shared between the two and option B, transferred fully from one the other. Option C, with identical spin. Option D, equally shared between the two and equally shared between the two. Which of the following has covalent bond? Option A, Na2S. Option B, AlCl3. Option C, NaH. Option D, MgCl2. Answer, AlCl3. In this part, the last question, in molecule, atomic orbitals used in the formation of bond are sp2 hybridized. Option A, H2S. Option B, BCl3. Option C, PCl3. All of these. The right answer, that is correct answer, BCl3. Okay. I should fuck her in the pants.